Microsoft just dropped a formula that replaces pivot tables entirely. It's called GROUPBY, and it builds a full summary report in one cell. Let me show you how it works. You know the pain. Insert pivot table, drag fields around. And when your data changes, nothing updates until you hit refresh. It's clunky, slow, and easy to forget. Here's our sales data. Column A has categories, column B has amounts. We want total sales per category. Click any empty cell to the right where you want your instant report. Type group by with 3 parts. First, the category column to group on. Second, the sales column to add up. Third, the word sum to tell Excel how to total everything. Press enter and boom. A complete summary spills out instantly with a grand total included. Edit any sales number and the report updates live, no refresh button, ever. You just replaced a 5-minute pivot table with one 5-second formula. Most Excel users have no idea this exists yet. Subscribe so you learn every new function first.